So let's get started creating your image for your digital mosaic. First, you're going to go to Google and you're going to find an appropriate image, of course, a school appropriate image. Try not to make it too complicated. I'm going to choose this super cute cat with a little flower around its head. And I'm going to go ahead and save that image to my device. So, of course, you're going to save that to your Chromebook. There you go. I'm saving it my way. Then you're going to click the link on the instruction sheet on the first slide, and you're going to go to this website here, Rapid Resizer. That's our free picture stencil maker. You're going to click where it says select an image from your device. So go ahead and click that blue bar. I'm going to go ahead and find my image and hit open. And that is going to import my image right into Rapid Resizer. And of course, it might look a little funny while you are looking at it at Rapid Resizer, but that's okay. You're going to scroll down here on the left underneath where you see your picture at, and you're going to click right here where it says the word adaptive. All right, that's going to change it. It might white it out. That's okay. Because what you're going to do is you're going to drag the sliders and adjust your image. Now, the thing with Rapid Resizer, it's not an instant thing. You have to drag the slider and then release it and let it process a second until you get what looks to you like a nice outline or kind of comic book image or not comic book image, but coloring book page image of the picture that you just chose. So once I am happy with what I have, do not click the other ones. You can try them, but sometimes they wind up making it look a little even weirder. So just stick with adaptive and play with those sliders a little at a time, just so that you can get it just perfectly right for you. Now, once you're all done and you're happy with your image, you're going to keep scrolling down and you're going to find where it says download or print on one page. Click that and it'll pop up. It says save to your computer. So you are going to save it to your Chromebook. And now you are going to go to Google Classroom. You're going to click on our assignment exactly where you got your instructions from. You're going to click background and then you're going to choose the image from your device. So I'm going to go ahead and browse. There's my image and hit open. And that's going to set my image as the background. Now, if you have a picture that imports in and looks a little funny, maybe it's a little stretched out, maybe it's a little too wide, you're going to go to File and you're going to go to Page Setup. Now, in Page Setup, I have it already set to 8.5 by 11 inches. Sometimes, if your picture looks a little weird, you can swap those numbers by putting 11 first and then 8.5 next. So it gives you more of a landscape picture so that it is not so maybe squashed or distorted. And then, of course, you would hit apply. But mine looks great as it is now. So that's how I'm going to leave it. So that is how you're going to get your image imported from Google to Rapid Resizer and set as your background on Google Classroom for your digital mosaic.